Okay, so we'll quickly create a book cover from scratch. Now this is if you don't want to use any of the templates already created by Canva, but if you have no idea of design and whatever, please stick with a template. You can edit the template, change the colors and all of that, okay, so that your design doesn't look childish or unprofessional, okay, because people judge a book by its cover, literally. Okay, so I'll just click on blank and I'm going to quickly put something together just so that this video doesn't get too long, but it is going to give you a fair idea of what you can do when you decide to work on your own ebook cover. Okay, so you can see search ebook cover template. I don't want to use any template. I want to design from scratch. I'm just going to take that off. Now I'm going to start with tapping on the plus icon there, and I'm going to add a text. I'm going to click on text and I'll use add heading. You can use any of these text fonts and colors, but I'm not going to use any of them. You can see the free ones available here that you can use and edit if you want to, but I'm not going to be using anyone. Just click on add a heading. All right, I just tap on it to edit, right? Oh, let me just, okay, so 50, let me make it capitals, side hustles for a stay at home mom. Okay, so I can now move it up. You can see the lines that will show me the middle and all of that. So I think this is okay. 50 side hustles for a stay at home mom. All right, then I can add a picture. Let's say I want a picture to depict a stay at home mom. All right, so I could click on photos here on Canva. Okay, I can click on photos and just select a photo or search a photo. Let me say stay at home mom. Let's see if it will give me anything. Stay at home mom. Okay, let's see what we'll get. Okay, all these are paid for. All these are paid for. Let me see mom. Let me see work from home mom. Okay, so there's a free one here, just one free picture. I could try different combinations, motherhood, stay at home mom, work from home mom, whatever, just to see if I can get more pictures. Let me tap it, so I can just select that. Now you can decide to use this picture, or you could use an element. Let's see elements, if there's anything we can find there. Let's check. Sorry, no, I need elements. Okay, so tap on elements and then I'll do working mom. Let's do working mom. Okay, this is free, this is free. A lot of elements here are free, so I can just tap on any one. Let's maybe this one of a woman holding a baby. Let me delete so I can just move this down and delete this one if I want, and then make use of the element. Just move it to the middle and then expand it. Okay, and then align it to the middle. Okay, all right, so 50 side hustles for a stay-at-home mom. And this picture actually depicts a mom with her computer, so you can see shows both working and being a mom at the same time. All right, so I could also add an image from my gallery, so you can see my gallery here. So let's say I don't find any of the pictures I want on the Canva app directly, I can get pictures from my gallery. Do you understand? So I could go to, like I said, I'm going to give you some website that you can get free pictures from, that you can use to design your ebook. So you can get pictures from there, save them on your phone gallery, and you'll be able to use them on Canva. Okay, so I think that's done. All right, so I can add text again or duplicate this text. I can just do duplicate and pull it down, just select, right, delete everything here, or just select everything so that I can just select all, and then I can write bees with reminder, pull it down. Okay, and then maybe reduce it a bit, pull it down. Okay, let's pull this one down too, maybe expand it a little more. All right, so this is a rough ebook cover. So I can just tap on the background itself and select color. Maybe I want to change the color. I can choose this, let's see, choose a color that works. No. Let's see, does this work? You can just, you know, test out different colors, or if you already have a brand color, you can choose the color, your brand color. Okay, I think. All right, so I'm going to stick with purple. Let me move this a bit. Looks a bit not aligned for me. Okay, all right, so 50 side hustles for a stay-at-home mom. All right, so you can still tap on plus and do backgrounds. Let's see backgrounds, what we can get. Background, so we can maybe use this. Let's see what that will look like. Looks nice, but I think the colors are clashing. I can go to transparency to reduce it a little, you know, make it a bit faint. Okay, I think this is cool. Just, I'm not a designer. Just okay, so I guess this is okay. So this is simply a rough quick walk. Okay, so 50 side hustles for a stay-at-home mom, peace with reminder. All right, so this looks nice enough. So you can quickly design a book cover from scratch using Canva. Like, you need to take your time, arrange your text, make it simple, not complicated, except you're a professional graphics designer and you know how to work your way around colors and all of that. Else, make it simple. Okay, don't go trying to become a hero with design when you know nothing about design. Okay, you could browse colors that complement each other so that you know the kind of colors to combine or not to combine, right? Okay, so we're going to download this. We'll do that using this button. Any of the buttons, in fact, will work. So I'm going to save as image. It's downloading. All right. Okay, so we're good there. Now let's go to Google Docs and edit the ebook that we did in the previous video. So this is it here. So I'll just tap on it to open. All right, so I can insert that book cover somewhere around. So let me just tap on the pen icon and I can insert the book cover right there. So let me add plus and do image. Okay, from my photos, now select one of the ebook covers I made. So I'll just select this one. You can see it has fixed itself here, right? So when I create the 3D book ebook representation and somebody downloads this, they will know that actually this is the book they paid for or they actually wanted to get. So let me look at it in print and see what it looks like so I can edit. So you can see I need to edit it more. So what will I do? Wait, I need to push down this side hustle, whatever, push push it down a bit. So I'm going to click on enter. Okay, I want to move it to the very second page so that this first page will just be for this book cover, right? So I can expand this, okay, so that expand it. I think it's good enough. Okay, just okay. So this is what it looks like now. Then I can now continue my editing. Let's take this up a bit, move this side hustle ideas for the stay-at-home mom. I can increase the font of this if it's too small. Okay, I can increase the font. All right, so we're good. Now to download it as a PDF, go back to these three dots up and tap on share and export, and you're going to see send copy, save as, make a copy. You can do send copy, you can save as, you can make a copy. So I'm going to do send a copy, and you're going to see different formats. You see PDF, you see open document, all of that. I always use PDF, except I want to use Word document, but I don't. And I'm going to click on OK, and it's downloading, right? So I can save it to my Drive, save it to my Gmail, save it to my WhatsApp, wherever I want to save it to. Let me save it to my WhatsApp business so that I can open it up for you there. Let me just send it to myself quickly. Okay. All right, so you can see. All right, so let me open it so that you see what it looks like. So you can see this is the ebook. So imagine I've written a whole lot of other things people can easily download and easily read. Isn't that nice? All right, and this didn't take me anything beyond 10 minutes. It all just depends on what you want to write. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is to create a book cover. Okay, let me see. All right, this video is already 12 minutes. See you in the next video where we're going to start talking about creating a book cover.